Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I have Blue YETI X mic from Blue Mics. This is the newest mics they have, and this run for $169 depending where you're buying it. It could be about $200. I found it from Best Buy. Now, what's the difference between this one and the older models is this one is professional quality mic. It has 4 condenser capsules which provides more focus and clarity, and it has LED lights right in front. As soon as you speak, it goes according to your sound level, and it can tell you right there if it's too high or it's too low. This knob in the front is multifunctional knob. It gives you all the options right there. You can mute from it, you can increase or decrease the volume for your headphone as well as for input. And from the back there's another button which you can use to change pickup pattern. So if you want omni, bidirectional, stereo or cardio. And without further ado, let's get started and then see what it has. So there's another box inside the Blue YETI X box, and there's some foam piece on the top, some paperwork. This is like the directions, how to use it, how not to use it. Of course, most of us are familiar. If not, then you can take a look. And here's the mic itself. This is pretty heavy actually. I did not expect this mic can be this much heavy. And it comes with only charging cable. And some more paperwork, and that's it pretty much, nothing else. So guys, this was the unboxing of Blue YETI X mic from Blue manufacturer. This is the brand new mic, and I'm really happy with the build quality and the sound quality of this mic. And there's no wonder why it's won many awards like CES Innovation Awards 2020 and Red Dot Winner 2020 and PC Gamers Magazine Editor's Pick Award also. So yes, this is pretty good mic, and I'll be comparing with my another affordable mic, which is Fiffin mic. And if you are interested, please watch my next video and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, and I'll catch you with the next video guys. Thanks, bye bye.